Hello students, welcome back to another R programming session. Let's get started with our comments. In this lecture, we will focus on what are comments and types of comments. Then we will discuss the syntax of comments and how to implement comments in R programming. Now, let's see what are comments in the R programming. Comments are nothing but to adding documentation to the code to get better understanding and to make it more readable of the source code. And these comments are typically ignored by the compiler or interpreter. Let me give you an example of why comments are so important in programming. Imagine that you along with few other programmers are working in a team project, and you all are working on different tasks of the project. And you are the one in charge of writing a crucial piece of code that handles payment processing. So, you have to spend several hours to writing and testing the code and to make sure it works correctly and efficiently. However, when you give your code to the group, one of the other programmers points out a problem with it. And they don't know what the code does, and that isn't very well explained. Why? Because you forgot to add comments to your code, which makes difficult for other programmers to understand. And without comments, your code is just a list of commands that may be difficult for other people to understand and change. So, comments are an important part of programming because they let programmers explain their code and make it easier for other people to understand and change. Now, let's see the types of comments. Single-line comments. A single-line comments is a type of comments used in R programming that consists of a single line of text. Multi-line comments. The R programming does not support to create multi-line comments. However, we can use alternative single-line comments to create a multi-line comments in R. Let's see the syntax of the comments in R programming. The comments start with the hash symbol, and anything that appears after this symbol is considered as a comments, and it will not be executed by the R interpreter. It called as single-line comments. Let's consider one example of comments. In this example, the hash symbol is used to add a comments to the code. The comments is not executed by the R interpreter, but is instead used to provide a brief explanation of what the code does. And the print function is used to display the message "Hello World" on the console. In this lecture, we learned about the comments and types of comments, then we discuss about syntax of comments and implementation of comments. In the following lecture, we will learn about the keywords and identifiers in R programming. Thank you.